The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. With over 17,000 markets and extended trading hours, turn US earnings season volatility into opportunity. Get started at IG.com.
Well, now for our stock of the day. I read every single email that you send to us as viewers. I'm just interested in them naturally. And over the weekend, we got an email from Sabir. He's a regular viewer, and he had suggested that we do a segment such as the one that we did in the height of COVID. What would you buy? What stock would you buy in a market meltdown? So for our stock of the day today, that's what I will pose to both of my guests. And in fact, we will continue to do so throughout this week. So by the end of Friday, you should have a selection of stocks that the experts would look to buy in a further market meltdown. So Adam Dawes from Shaw and Partners, let's start with you. Adam, what would you be buying, whether it be today or if we're early in the cycle? What stock would you look to buy when we continue to see selling?
Yeah, so I've got a really good shopping list of stocks that I want to buy, especially when these markets do sort of have these meltdowns, and certainly we are right in the middle of that as well. The stock that I picked is Macquarie Group. Certainly with Macquarie Group where it is at the moment, and I think it's even looking like it's going to be up for the day. I think, intraday, it's now starting to move a little bit higher. Overall, this one is a fantastic business, and we always take opportunities when we can to pick this thing up. Obviously, my first call is anything under $180, and I've said that to you, Nadine, for many, many years. Anything under $180, it's a buy for me. Macquarie's definitely in that range at the moment. Sitting at 171. It is looking really, really good, and it's a fair bit of support there. Obviously, there's more stuff to go around. So what I would be saying to clients and viewers on the show is that if you're looking to buy some, let's say you're looking to put $50,000 into a stock, buy half today, and then wait, put another half in a couple of days' time. Let's see where this market goes. Let's see how this thing does pan out, because you wouldn't be shooting all your bullets at once. And I think just putting some in now and just dripping that into the market over the next coming couple of weeks, this is where people make a lot of money. It's not on the sell, it's on the buy. And this is exactly where people make money. You buy good quality stocks at good prices, you will do very, very well in the long run. So this is exactly where we are. Macquarie's my stock to pick while the markets are down.
Got it. Same question to you, Mathan.
Yeah, look, my one is Northern Star. We have volatility. We've been positive on gold for a number of years. That hasn't changed. Right now, despite the meltdown, spot gold in Aussie dollar is over 5,000. Even the expensive gold miners got 2,300 Aussie dollar all in sustainable cost. Northern Star is much better quality. It's a top tier business, very high quality business. At this point, they're churning out cash. They are literally the banks in the sector right now. They're in the market. The gold miners, especially the Aussie gold miners, because Aussie dollars now today touched below 60 cents. So on Aussie dollar terms, they're all doing really well. They should be doing quite well for years to come. If the market is going to get bailed out, at the end of the day, it's going to be a Fed put or the government backflips. Either way, you're going to get more stimulus, which means gold will run even further. I don't have a target for gold. I just know gold is going to go higher because of political mess. So I'm long gold, and we're staying long gold.
Got it. Thank you, guys. Stocks of the day. What to buy in a market meltdown, Macquarie Group and Northern Star.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Turn volatility into opportunity this US earnings season with extended trading hours on over 110 key US shares. Get started at IG.com.